Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful passion twist. So the hair I used to achieve my passion twist is the free tress braid in water wave, and I also used the 22 inches. I actually didn't want it to be this long, but the thing is that is the only inches that was available at my local beauty supply, as at the time I went to purchase this hair. Anyway, so this is what the hair looks like. I have already done the back section of my hair, and so I'm going to go ahead now and show you guys how I achieved the front section. I'm going to part my hair and I'm going to be doing the rubber band method. So I use a jam to help hold my hair in place, because as you can see, this hair is very like slick and I have 4C hair, so to help blend it together I had to use a jam, and I'm also using the rubber band. So what I did show you there was that I'm soaking my rubber band in a little bit of oil just to make sure that it doesn't do any harm to my hair. So I learned that this is a little trick if you don't want the rubber band to, like, you know, cut your hair or lose your hair in the process. So you soak your rubber band in an oil. Whatever oil you decide, it's up to you. I just soak it in my, like olive oil, before attaching it to my hair, like using it to band my hair. So I used only one hair from the pack. People use 3. It all depends on how big or the size that you want to go for. So you're going to go ahead and like open up the hair first, and then I'm using the crochet hook to go through my hair, like the one that I have already attached my rubber band. And this is what the hair looks like when you have opened it up. Like I said, I'm only using just one piece. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and attach it to the crochet hook and pull it through my hair that was banded. I'm twisting it around a little bit just to help the root stay stronger, and then I'm going to pull one side of the hair through the loop and secure it to my hair. And I'm also going to like I'm holding my own hair as I'm like pushing it through the loop, just so that my hair doesn't slip out, because like it's so tiny. Like you see, I'm using, like, I did very tiny sections in the front because I was trying to get this hair as full as possible, even though it wasn't at the end of the day still as full as I wanted it to be. But so yeah, also I'm going to go ahead and use a jam again to help me twist my hair. So all you need to do from here is just twist. Honestly, you don't really have to be a pro at twisting. I am not, like, I don't know how to twist. I just twist my own like natural hair twist out, and I'm just using that method, twisting it to the left. That is all I'm doing. And also from the tutorials that I've watched, it said as you're twisting you have to be pulling the hair up. So yeah, like that, you'll be twisting and pulling it up, twisting and pulling it up. Get the jam if that is going to help you to twist, and then continue twisting, because the hair is so long. So like, when the hair is so long and you're twisting, is like you have to be stretching your hand forward. So what I like to do is, like, I take the hair from one side of the head, cross my head to the other side, and then that makes it easier for me to twist to the very tip. And when you get to the tip, you just use your finger to like roll it up, and that's it. And that is what it looks like. So yeah, that is it when it's all twisted. So it's not really hard at all. It's not hard. Like, this style is not hard. Like I said, even though you don't really know how to twist, if you watch a couple of tutorials on YouTube like I did, you should be fine. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and do the exact same thing. Make sure you open up your hair so it's not like too slick, because you're not trying to make it perfect, and the hair is also very slippery. So opening it up makes it a little bit easier for you to twist it. So yeah, I'll do that to the remaining section of the hair that is left, and I'll show you the end results of, like, when I'm done. Okay guys, when I wanted to do this hairstyle, I did watch a couple of YouTube videos just to get the hang of it, because like I said, I really don't know how to twist. I only twist my natural hair. So I was like, I'm not sure if I can do this hair, which is why it took me so long to even do the passion twist, because I felt I would not be able to do it. But I saw some people who said, nope, you don't really have to know how to twist, like it's very simple to do, which is why it took me time, but I finally decided to do it. But what I wanted to say is that when watching those videos, some people use as little as 4 packs, some use 6, some use 10. But like I said, it all depends on the sizes you're going for and the fullness that you want. So with that, I bought 4 packs because like I said, I wanted to use just individual hair from the pack. So I thought 4 packs should be enough for my whole head. But no, it wasn't. I had to go back and buy extra 2 packs. So at the end of the day, I used 6 packs to achieve this style. And each pack contains 14, I think 14, if I'm not wrong, like individual, like 14 strands of hair. So yeah, I ended up using 6 packs and it still wasn't as full as I wanted it. I probably should have used like maybe 2 strands of hair each, but then I would have used up to like 12 packs if I did do that. So I don't know, but yeah, I used 6 packs of hair to achieve the style. So yeah, like I said, this style is not hard to do at all. So if you haven't done it before and you are thinking of doing it, the hair is actually really beautiful. I got a lot of compliments from me doing from this hair. So yeah, if you have been thinking of doing it, I think you should go ahead and do it, because it's not that hard. So yeah.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me.
So, and also if you're doing this hair for the first time, like in my own case, when I did the first few twists, it wasn't perfect. Some of them I had to take out and redo it, but the thing is, as you go, you will begin to get the hang of it. And yeah, so I'm almost done. I'm at the very end now. You can see that look on my face. So this is the last one, and this hair took me I actually started it like a day before, but I started very late, so I had to complete it the next day. But I would say it took me a total of 8 hours, not less than 8 hours, to do this hairstyle. Yeah, and I think it's because the hair is really long. Like I said, I bought the 22 inches. So yeah, I'm just going to finish up with this last one right here. And I also forgot to show that you can use a mousse. Like, you need to use a mousse to set this hair, like to keep everything in place when you are done. Any kind of mousse you decide to use is up to you. So yeah, apart from that, this is it. I am done now with my passion twist. You guys let me know what you think, if I did okay for like the first time. But I think I did okay. So but you guys let me know what you guys think, because this hair came out beautiful. Like, to me, I feel like I did okay because the hair came out really beautiful, as you guys can see. So this is the end result of my passion twist. I think it looks really beautiful. This is it's really long. Like I said, it was actually really long. And yeah, this is what the back looks like. I just love how this hair looks. It's really beautiful. So yeah guys, this is the finished result of my passion twist. I think it really came out beautiful. I love how it looks. I'm in love with this hair. This is the length. yeah, so I would definitely come up here to tell you guys what I think about this hair after wearing it for some time. So for now, thank you so much for always coming back. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, share this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.